Hey, what's up? This is David, and I have a new cooking video for you. Switching it up from like the previous versions of Getting Baked with David, and trying something new. Recording it a little bit more, making it not so like Facebook Live-y. So yeah, hopefully a lot of fun to watch. I'm still gonna be awkward, but it's still gonna be fun. And today we're gonna make chicken stir fry with a gold fork. No, I'm not gonna show you how to make the gold fork. And stop. So yeah, finished final product. Turning small ingredients into this, do this. Hopefully we made your quarantine just a little bit better. Thumbs up. See you guys next time.